Alright, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to clean your desk setup in under 3 minutes. If you guys like that, hit the subscribe button down below, like the video, comment down below any questions you guys got or anything. And also, I'm sorry about the little bit of a break I had. I've been listening to your guys' feedback and trying to think of ways to make my content better, and so I've been really thinking about that and working on it. So that's what I've been doing. But today we're going to get into this video right now. So how to keep your desk setup clean quickly. The first step is to get on a schedule. So over here I got my Peanuts calendar, and I actually do not have anything written on here because I can actually remember pretty well to clean my desk setup. But if you have problems like keeping it clean and stuff like that, then I would suggest coming over using any calendar. You don't have to use a calendar like this, but use some sort of calendar, or like an online calendar or something. Google Calendars works great too, to remind yourself to clean every single week at least one time, because if you keep it clean consistently, it'll be easier to clean big messes and get it all nice and clean. If you have, like, I don't know, if you just need it really clean for pictures, something, or you're just something you need it really clean for, it'll make it easier to keep it clean. So, and the next part, I talk about this a lot and you guys know this, but dedicated organization for your stuff. So here I got my Alex drawer unit, which I've talked about a lot in the past. I have a review at the top of the card you guys can check out. But this is very helpful because, like, all my stuff has dedicated spots. So if I take these notepads out and use them, or I take these flashlights out and use them, I know that they go back in here, so they always have a spot to go back to, right? And not all these drawers are the most clean and stuff, but like these are all my notebooks and stickers and ruler. And then like this, look at this drawer right here. It's not too clean or anything, but at least I know, like, if I have a cables or if I need some adhesive, it's all in here and I can get it done. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it's out of the way, look nice and clean. So it's very easy to put stuff away and know where it goes, so you can take it out if you need it, or you can put it away if you don't. So that's my tip number 2. And the third tip is make sure your cables are clean and stuff like that. So I've suggested this many times in the past, but this cable channel is very helpful keeping everything look clean. And right here, I only have like 2 cords going off my desk that you can actually visibly see. My monitor cords go back into that channel and stuff like that. You can, I mean, if you're walking in my room like from this direction, I guess you can see them over here, but most of the time they're out of the way. Also, there's not too many on the floor except for my headphones, which I have stuck on top of my PC right there, but I use that cable sleeve on there. I don't know if you can see that. And then I try to keep everything just mounted to the top up here and out of the way as much as possible, so that when you're walking and you're looking like this, you don't really see too many cables or anything like that, and it looks really clean. So there's no, like, and also, like, a little bonus tip is that, I mean, the less like decorations and stuff you have on your desk, stuff like that, the more clean it's going to be. But it depends on what you like. If you like to have lots of decorations and plants on your desk and stuff like that, you could still make it look good and keep it clean. But I just like having the minimal look and stuff like that. So I have a lot of desk space, to write, if like I need to write for school and stuff. Yeah, so that's how I keep my desk setup clean in under 3 minutes. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, and comment down below any questions about the video. And thank you guys for watching.